Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratyakshaa and today we are going to practice Sarvangasana. Sarv means all and Ang means body parts, so it is good for all body parts. The benefits of this asana is that it brings our blood to our head, which helps in scalp allergies and our face allergies. It is also good for asthmatic patients and diabetic patients. So let's start. For Sarvangasana, first, you have to lie down on your back. Bring your legs to 90 degrees like this. And then stretch them up like this. Use your hands. Stay in the final position for as long as you can. Come back. Now, not all children will be able to do this straight because children cannot do everything straight. But you will have to try. If you try, maybe it will become straight. Bye. See you next time. Namaste.